Hey everyone, just a quick update on Argo blockchain. Still having camera and mic issues. I'm getting parcels delivered. You won't even believe this. I'm getting parcels delivered from Amazon that have nothing inside them. It's mind blowing. Anyway, that aside, I just wanted to cover some of the breaking news that's come out on Argo blockchain yesterday. We covered our last video on the 23rd of March, so it wasn't that long ago. So we can see some of the team meeting there in Dickens County, which was nice. Just Peter Wall talking about Bitcoin and things like that, which is good. This is the news here, though, the Intel update. So let's have a look at this. Intel launches new Intel Blackside technology for energy efficient blockchain hashtag. We talked about all this. I'll share the video where we had the breaking news on Intel, which is fantastic. Here's the key features of the Intel block scale. Dedicated secure hash algorithm, 580 GHz hash rate. So that is incredible upgrade. On-chip temperature and voltage sensing capabilities. Support for up to 256 integrated circuits per chain. When is it available? Shipments of the Intel Blockscale ASIC to customers will begin in the third quarter of 2022. So only a couple of months away. Argo blockchain block, which is Square. Hive blockchain technologies and grid infrastructure will be amongst the first companies to develop the new system based on its Intel. So let's just take a moment out to remember how huge this is. Intel is one of the biggest chip makers in the world, and Argo blockchain is one of, I mean, look at the names: Swift, Square, big, huge, destructive infrastructure system. I love Square. I love what they're doing with their Cash App, everything about it. I've done videos on Square before. Huge, high blockchain, big players in this space that everyone knows, and where our name is now being mixed in that. So it really is fantastic, and that's just great to see that on Intel's website. Now, on the last video, I'm just going to do a bit of quick TA. In the last video, we talked about this falling wedge, and I'm going to get rid of all this. We talked about this falling wedge. If we break out, we will go up, and we have seen that. Let's be honest, we have seen that. Has it been a huge, big gains and rise? No, but it is up. So we have broken out of this. It's went up. Unfortunately, today, and the reason why I prompted more to do this video is because we have come to a sell. Now, on my channel, I've been talking about the sell-off for tax season. In the UK now, we have seen a bit of a sell-off the last couple of days. Tax season starts tomorrow, so all eyes will be on the FTSE for me to see what way it reacts, because I can see America following suit with the lead up to its tax day on the 18th of the month. So be careful, guys. I've put in my Discord. I am trading very safely. I've been taking a good bit of profits yesterday and today in advance of this potential dip that we may see. There's no guarantees, but last year it hit really hard. So that is my plan. I'm sitting now almost 2/3 cash again. I haven't been, as much as almost a quarter cash. I'm always cash heavy, because I like to day trade. And you can get access to the Discord and talk about all these types of things if you wish. The link is down below. But this is our measured move, and I did say it was presumptuous. I did say also, when DW actually brought me to this, he was talking about new time high, all-time highs. I'll move my picture here. He was talking about new all-time highs over. And I just sort of had to manage expectations and said, at best, this would be a measured move. Did I feel that was going to be the case? No. My trading strategy is I like to be above the 180-day moving average. Until we get that, I just don't think it's going to be possible that we'll see those highs. Plus, we have Bitcoin still in this undecided move. What way is it going to go? We're still staying above. So as long as you stay above the 45,000, I am content. And this is what's happening. I did put a buy in at 45,000. I was waiting for confirmation to get above that, and I'm okay with this sideways movement. We're building up support. And if we go to the ARBK again, we've had a good run on the ABRK since our buy symbols came in up to now. You'll be up 20% since the 18th of March to the 5th of April. And to get access to all this and understand what all this means, you can get the link for the trading course down below. But just to wrap up, then, if we look at since the day I did my video on the 23rd, we have seen highs of about 11%. It has dipped now. We're over 3% on the ARBK ticker symbol. And if we look at the ARB ticker symbol, then since the 23rd, we have seen gains of about 8%, with highs being over close to 15%. So look, it's been positive. It's been a brutal, long road. I feel a lot of people's pains, and let's just take a strip out. We have seen the stock fall 70% still to date. It's been pretty rough riding. And we're still down 40% on the 6-month period, but on the month, from the lows to the highs, it's up 30%. So it's going in the right direction. Still nervous about the markets, still unsure about it all. Still believe that there's a recession coming in the next sort of 18 months to 24 months. So it's all of this you got to factor. I'll keep saying on my channel, subscribe to the channel if you want to get some real balance, non-pump, non-tripe, just serious, real talk about the way the market is. It's going to go to Cape Town. Enjoy this moment, but it's going to seriously tank hard. And you got to be careful. And there could be a bit of a bumpy road now, But as soon as the 18th comes and tax season's over, I'm going back in hard because I believe we'll get a bounce. So it's nothing to be too fearful of. You could be buying any dips that we see over the next couple of weeks. And of course, disclaimer, you can never predict the market. No one can. No one knows what will happen. But I do believe that Argo will be great for the long term. And we do have our factory, our plant factory, opening up soon. So there's plenty of great things in the pipeline, the Intel chips. I mean, the positive news is there. Argo keep doing phenomenal, fundamental great things. So as long as that keeps happening, there's nothing to worry about. All of this is buying opportunities and the good times will come. That's the video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. And hopefully, pray, I will have better camera and better setup. Peace.
Yeah. Coincidence. Yeah. Coincidence. Yeah. Coincidence. Something that happens by chance, I think not.